everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. I'm trying to hold my bag shut here. I have another reveal or unboxing for you today.
That's an unbagging.
Unbagging, sorry. I keep trying to cover it up here. And this is awesome. This is so awesome. This is a brand that I have wanted something, I'm trying to make sure nothing shows through, that I have wanted something from for so long, but it had to be the right one. I will say that these bags don't hold their value at all, but it's not Dior. And then there was another type of bag that I also have been eyeing for a long time that I haven't gotten. And this came up, it's pre-loved, and it checks all the boxes. It's from the brand I wanted something from.
Wegmans?
No. Did you say Wegmans? Like the grocery store? Okay, we don't even have them around us.
But we used to.
We did when we lived in New York.
That's why I brought it up.
That was hilarious. Okay, so no, it's nothing from a grocery store. So this, I love this bag, and I've wanted something in this style for so long. So little bit of a story time, not much, just to give you a background. Winnie BLV, she loves all the mini bags. I'm not a mini bag fan, but one of the bags that she did get, and now a number of people have, is like the mini Speedy, or like the Speedy 20. Love that bag, but I thought that instead of getting that one, I wanted to get the Gucci bag that's like that. I think Mini Minx for All got a mini size one. David's Closet just got one. His, I think, was the one size bigger. And I was all set. That was the bag I was going to get. Wanted the Gucci one in the blue and white, like, colorway. And I just didn't know if I wanted to pay the price, though, because Gucci also goes down. And I had no idea that this brand had made anything like this. This showed up on, I got it from the Real, and oh my gosh, I just hit add to cart, purchase, boom. This checked all the boxes. So the brand is Burberry. So nice dust bag. Soft, substantial, nice, typical bag. But the bag I got, oh, it's got some wear on it. I didn't care. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. So I'll let you get a close up here. You can see the Burberry symbol in there. And then it says Burberry up top. When I got a Burberry bag, I knew I wanted it to have some of the plaid like this. And it does. Then it's got these maroon sides. There's a little bit of wear like right up in here. You can see that.
Yep.
And, I mean, like, who cares? A little bit of wear here. Just makes it look like it's my bag and has been for a while. But this bag, oh my gosh. I don't think I know the name of it. Does it say on here? Of course not. It might say inside. Like if there's the card stuff. I can't remember. But, okay. So, oh, there is something in here. So it's kind of got a dark fuchsia leather. And then it's canvas here. Here's a side view of it. The back, or you could carry that as the front if you didn't want just the Burberry part to sign. If you're if you like the quiet luxury, I could care less. Here's the other side. The bottom has feet, which I think are fantastic. Leather bottom, leather sides. Oh, this does the thing that I like. It's got a dual zipper, but the zippers go down both sides. So you can get in and out easy. That's one of the reasons that I didn't want to get the Speedy 20 is because I just think, well, even though those go down more, but like the mini Speedy, I just think Speedies are harder to get into. So I love this. Okay, so you open it up and you can see there's some gussets on the side here that you could actually undo.
And it could zip down farther.
But not really adjust. Unless you wanted it very loose. There is a back pocket or a front. Actually, this is the front. So there's a slip pocket up in the front. There is a zipper pocket in the back. The interior is like a canvas lining. Actually, I got the original paperwork with it. Or the original, tags and everything. I want to see if this says what it is called. Like, yeah, I could read it from here. Yeah, no, I don't know what that means. But yeah, it came with the Burberry card. Oh, maybe this will say something.
Open other end.
No, besides that small something. I don't know. And then there's a care booklet in here as well. That all came with it. There's also an adjustable leather strap that is obviously removable. I love that it's got the little extra pad of leather here for comfort. Love the gold of this. I just think it's a really pretty strong gold on here. Just goes so nice. So, yeah, you could hand carry it. You could crook of the arm carry it. And otherwise, it has this long, you could, with as much room as there is on here, you could definitely cross-body this. I just think this is, she's gorgeous, right? Like, I'm so excited because, like I said, I wanted one of these, like, size and shape for so long. Didn't get the Speedy. Then it was going to be the Gucci bag. What is it called? I know these are typically like a Boston bag. But I thought Gucci's was called something else. I don't remember. But I didn't get that one. And then this came up and I'm like, oh my gosh, this ticks off the Burberry. The price was right. It was under $400. The size is perfect. I mean, she's gorgeous. I am just so excited. So I now have a Burberry bag.
The bag's kind of you.
It is. It's the right colors. I'm just so happy. Who knew Burberry did this color? And I just, in this style, I am just thrilled. I mean, I knew that I didn't want to go over $400 for a Burberry bag just because they lose their value too much. I mean, knew they're over $1,000 and wasn't going to do that. I didn't really want to go like the trench coat route. I looked at some t-shirts and stuff like that, but I knew I wanted a bag with the classic canvas on it. And like I said, stuff comes up all the time on Fashion File, The Real, things like that. And none of them ever checked the right boxes, or like all of them until this. And I, color-wise, thought for sure it was going to have to be black or a brown. And as we see, I'm not really a black and brown gal. So that's probably why it was easier for me to be so picky about it, because I have been looking for a Burberry bag for, easy for me to say, probably 3 years now or more. And
she's over the moon.
I am. It was just meant to be. So I just wanted to show you that. I'm so excited about it. And yeah, what do you think? Do you have any Burberry bags? I don't see a lot of...
No, I don't. I'm sorry. I thought you were asking me.
Yeah. Well, I was.
Okay.
I was. But,
no.
Or, does anybody who might be viewing this have any?
Fine.
Yeah, the quality looks fantastic. I may do another review, or a review of this once I've used it for a while. I'm trying to give you an idea of size. I always kind of like to do that just for reference. Like, here's my mulberry tote.
So it's a baby compared to that one.
Yeah, I mean, but it's nice and wide, so it's gonna hold absolutely everything. So there's it like that. Here's my Chanel boy bag. Ooh. So that it's bigger than.
Yeah.
So it's pretty. I'm putting it in backwards. I will fix it later. But yeah, so there we have it. Did I hear I can give you measurements? That might be easier to tell. So I'm holding all the paperwork here. I got to cut this tag off yet. So this is, I would say about 9 inches wide. Height, about 7, would you say?
I'd say about 6.
6?
That's just me.
Okay. And then width is pretty decent.
Around 5.
Yeah, 5, 5.5, depending on where you are on the side. So really nice size bag. This is definitely going to fit everything that I carry and more. I'm just so pleased. I mean, like, even like the canvas isn't dirty. Oh, I lied. Here's one little tiny mark right there. And that's facing me, because no quiet luxury for me. I mean, people can see that. And again, the little bit of wear there and there, I didn't care. I mean, to me, it makes it look like it's mine, and it's been mine for a while.
That's interesting that it's on the outside.
Yeah, well, I mean, it probably just bumped against stuff, which is interesting that it didn't hit the piping.
Right.
But this does kind of puff out a little bit more. So, I love it. I think it's fantastic. Just looks like it's mine and it's been loved, but it's still an absolutely gorgeous bag, and it's going to continue now to have a nice little life with me here. So, tell me what you think. You think she's cute? Like, does she compare, like, to the Speedy or the Gucci? I mean, it scratched the itch. I mean, she's so pretty. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down in the comments down below. I love when everybody comments. It means a lot to me, helps me get to know everybody a little bit, and I learn so many things from you guys. Sometimes if I don't know the answer to something or what something's called, somebody always knows.
When do you know what something's called?
Oh, stop it, not that often. But but I mean, it's so awesome. And even like people, like I just did my Loewe like dupe, and people that had Loewe got it, that I wasn't dissing Loewe in any way, shape, or form. But, you know, gave me some really good insights, like, let me know that, like, if I was concerned about not having a leather interior, their flamenco bag, has a leather interior, so something for me to look at in the future. And,
no.
I just appreciated that people knew that I'm not judging anything. One of my absolutely favorite thing about people is that we all have different opinions, and I love thinking about that and about how different things resonate with people differently. And like, I might look at something and think, ooh, and I see someone who looks at it and it's like, oh my gosh, does it make my heart sing? And I just love that, just thinking about that, and like, maybe I should take another look at it, or, you know, maybe I need to think about this differently. And really, I think, opens your eyes up to a lot of different perspectives. Now I'll get off my soapbox for today, or done giving my 2 cents, dollar, whatever it's this time. But if you haven't found me over on Instagram yet, you can find me there as well. It's James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. If you haven't already subscribed here, please consider subscribing. I'm on my way to 2,000. I'd love to hit 2,000 before the end of the year. So all of you that watch but don't subscribe, just click it. It doesn't cost a thing. It means a lot to me. You can hit the little bell notification. It'll notify you when my videos go up. Typically, they do go up on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Put a few other random ones in between sometimes. I will have links down below to, like, David's Closet doing his reveal minis and winnies. And just really appreciate you being here. It means a lot to me. I would just say then, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So for today's video, we each did a little something to our hair. She put a couple curls in, it looks beautiful, and this is what we did with mine.